Nigeria Police Force has said it prevented plans to cause bomb explosion in Lagos State ahead of the ongoing end-bad governance protests in the country. The police force, in a news release by its spokesperson, Olumiyiwa Adejobi, on Wednesday, said the Inspector General of Police, IGP, commended the men of the force anti-bomb team for early detection and deactivation of the bomb that was placed on the road in Lagos State. The news statement reads, in quote, thus, following a recent incident involving the discovery and successful detonation of an improvised explosive device, IED, on the 31st of July 2024, by the Explosive Ordnance Disposal, EOD, and Chemical, Biological, Radiological, and Nuclear, CBRN, units of the Nigeria Police Force, along Mobolaji Bank Anthony Way, Ikeja, Lagos, the Nigeria Police Force wishes to alert all citizens to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activities or objects to the nearest police station. All members of the public are urged to stay alert and be aware of their surroundings, reporting any unusual or suspicious behavior. When one encounters an unfamiliar or suspicious object, please do not touch or move it. Rather, keep a safe distance and immediately inform the police. The Nigeria Police reiterates that its foremost responsibility is to protect the lives and property of our citizens. While the Nigeria Police Force is working tirelessly to investigate further the source of the barrels of the IED planted in Lagos, dismantle their plans and apprehend those involved, the cooperation of well-meaning members of the public is vital in these critical times. It's pertinent to state that the intentions of the criminally minded individuals, who acted like terrorists for planting the IEDs at that strategic location, were purely to destroy houses, facilities and innocent citizens who may transverse along the route where the items were recovered. It is not out of point, however, to be vigilant to detect such unusual packages or parcels in our vicinity to avert any ugly incidences.
They don't aware of all these things.
Go back, oh. I know what we.
Now there they go dismantle am.
You bless like side that cat.
They don't get am. They go inside that bag. As battery don't dey there.
Even inside that bag.
Yeah, you said don't inside that bag. They just put am there. Now sand dey there. They put inside that sand. The camera. See, I don't. They don't blow.
Yeah. Don't blow. They don't blow. Now there. See him. They don't blow. See where they put bomb. They don't blow. What you say? See him. You see? No, I care for police. Care for police. Care for police. For where?
They don't get am.
Now see where they put bomb.
You see where they put bomb?
No, like cry for police. Cry for. They don't know what they say. They say stop. They don't know the reason. They don't know the reason.
They don't know the reason.
Huh?
None of them don't die.
Die.
No, they don't know the reason. They don't know the reason. After I say police. Huh? Cry for police, oh.
Another one there.
They see the final.
See now, they find out that one waiting for the wall there. Now they find out. They go see them now.
Now only custom. Now only custom.
Now they play, they won't play.
Now here they bomb. Now the first one.
No, they want. No, they know they push the deal.
Don't send them on trust. Don't send them.
No.
OsazuwaAkonedo, bringing you the news in a more digital way.